So let's talk about this amazing blender from Molinex Double Fuzz. It is a food processor multifunctional kitchen appliance with different settings, as you all can see. I can say it is the best since it has multiple modes for slicing, grating, blending, and even more. For this jar with a wide base and handle, or you can call it the food processor bowl, it is used for chopping vegetables, nuts, or herbs if you have. You can as well use it for grating cheese when you want to do the pizzas, carrots, and even cabbage. Another multi-purpose function that can be used, you can also use it for slicing your fruits. Yeah, kneading your dough if only you have the dough blade. For this blender, it often comes with different attachments like the ace blades, slicing, shredding disc, or the dough blades. And that's all, guys. For the blender, it's a perfect one. It can serve different functions, as you all can see. I can't talk about them, but I just have to proceed with the smoothie.